Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share files from your PC to your iPhone quickly and easily. Let's get started. On your PC, open your web browser and go to send-anywhere.com. Click on Send, then select the file or files you want to transfer from your computer. Once you've added the file, the website will generate a 6-digit key or a QR code. Keep the screen open. Now on your iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Send Anywhere and install the app. After installing, open the app and tap Receive. You can either enter the 6-digit key manually or scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. The file will begin transferring right away and will be saved on your iPhone once the download is complete. To open the file, just use the appropriate app, like Photos, Files, or a media player, depending on the file type. And that's it. You've now successfully transferred files from your PC to your iPhone, wirelessly and without hassle. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.